This video I am showing you how you can clear videos you have watched on Facebook. So firstly you have to open your Facebook app and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then tap on the see your profile. After that you can click on the three dots in the right side of add to a story and then you can tap on the activity log. After that you can see this pop-up menu. You can slide to the left and then tap on the videos watched, and here you come to this page and then you can see all your videos. So to delete all your videos you have to simply long hold the videos that you want, or you can simply click on the three dots in the right side of the videos and then you can tap on the delete, and now this video is deleting and now it is deleted. And after deleted all your videos you can tap on the recycle bin, and then you come to this page and here you can see your recycle bin, and you can also find your videos. So to delete the you have to choose you can choose all, and you can also delete a specific videos by tapping on the three dots in the right side of video and then you can delete it. And after selecting the videos you can simply tap on the trash icon in the bottom right corner, and then it is saying that items that you deleted can't be restored. It means it is permanently deleted. So now you have to enter your password, and after entering your password, when you click on the submit, then all these changes happen. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.